Hi everyone, welcome to Hero Handmade Crochet. Today I'll show you how to make a beautiful and very quick flower pattern. It's perfect for beginners and a great way to add a handmade touch to your projects. Let's get started. We will start with a magic ring. So wrap the yarn around your index finger 2 times like this. Insert the hook into the ring. Yarn over, pull through the ring. Now we have a loop on our hook. Now we need to chain 2, yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the first chain. Again yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the second chain. And then work 2 double crochets into the magic ring. We will start with the first one. Yarn over, insert the hook into the ring. Yarn over, pull through. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Now we have 2 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through 2. This is a double crochet. Again work another double crochet into the magic ring. And then chain 2, 1 and 2, then work a slip stitch into the magic ring. So insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through the ring and then pull through the loop. With that we have completed the first petal of the flower. This is what it looks like. And then we will repeat the pattern to create the other petals. Chain 2, 2 double crochets, 1 and 2, then again chain 2 and work a slip stitch into the magic ring. Again repeat the pattern. Chain 2, 2 double crochets, 1, 2 and then chain 2 and a slip stitch into the magic ring. Now we have completed 3 petals. Again chain 2, 2 double crochets into the magic ring, 1 and 2, again chain 2 and work a slip stitch into the magic ring. I'm going to make 1 more petal, so chain 2, 2 double crochets, 1 and 2, again chain 2 and work a slip stitch into the magic ring. After that we will leave a little tail like this and cut the yarn off. And then I'm going to pull the tail of the magic ring here to close the magic ring like so. With that we have completed the flower. You can just hide the tails by using the yarn needle if you want. And thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed making this quick flower pattern with me. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more creative crochet tutorials. See you next time.